In this problem, we have to simplify this quotient. And notice that we have to raise exponents to an exponent. So let's first look at a simpler example. Let's say we have a squared, and we're raising that to the third power. Another way you can think about this is that we have this expression here inside the parentheses multiplied by itself 3 times. So we can rewrite this as a squared times a squared times a squared. And notice that each of the terms inside the parentheses, these a squareds are just a times a. And if we rewrite this 3 times, now you can see that there are 6 a's, so we can rewrite this as a to the 6th. And the general rule is that if you raise an exponent to an exponent, you multiply these numbers. So let's apply that to this problem here. So since we have a product inside, we'll raise each of these factors to the 5th power. So we have x to the 4th to the 5th, and we multiply 4 times 5 to get 20. And then for y, we have negative 3 to the 5th, which multiplies to negative 15. And this is divided by x squared to the minus 3, which is just x to the minus 6, multiplied by y to the minus 3. And now we have to divide these terms with the same base. So let's do that by first looking at a simpler example. Let's say we have b to the 3rd divided by b squared. And if we expand these, b cubed is just b times b times b. B squared is just b times b. And notice that we can cancel out 2 b's from the numerator with 2 from the denominator, so that we're left with just b to the 1st. And the general rule when you're dividing exponents that have the same base is that you subtract the exponents. So this is really just b to the 3 minus 2, or b to the 1st. So again, applying that rule to our problem, for the x terms, x to the 20th divided by x to the minus 6 is just x to the 20 minus that negative 6, multiplied by y to the minus 15 minus negative 3, which is just plus 3. And then simplifying, 20 minus negative 6, or 20 plus 6, is x to the 26th power, multiplied by y to the minus 15 plus 3, or y to the negative 12. And if we wanted to write this entirely with positive exponents, we can look at a much simpler example. Like let's say we have c to the minus 2. We can rewrite this as a fraction so that if we take the reciprocal of this fraction, 1 over c, the exponent becomes positive. So this will be true for this as well. So we still have x to the 26th, that'll be in our numerator, and our denominator will be y to the 12th. And this is our final answer.